Hey, what's up guys, this is Fahim. I'm back with another new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted photos in any Android phone without any root, without anything. This trick is just amazing and this will work 100% surely. We all delete some picture, very important picture, sometimes mistakenly, so then we need to recover all those. In this trick you are going to learn how you can do it. First, there are two ways. The first way is using an app called Dumpster. I will show you DUM Dumpster. I'll give the description in the link. You just have to download this and hit open, and it's working as a recycle bin for your Android phone. From now, if you delete something, it will go up to here and you can recycle from here, or any video or anything, like basically anything. It's basically work as a recycle bin for your Android phone. So that's it for delete after installing this app. Suppose you haven't installed this app or you still want to recover some picture, you have done nothing with your phone, but you have mistakenly deleted something and you really want to recover all those. For those, we also have one app called, I will give the I have DiskDigger. You will find the link in the description. I will give the description. DiskDigger. This is the app, 10 million download. Then just download it and tap open, and then it will scan your phone, how many photography you have deleted, what you have deleted. Those are all photo I have deleted and I have already scanned all those. You also can customize all those things, like you can, if you go to settings, you can use thumbnail as a small picture, big picture, and you also can select picture size. If you think a specific picture, it will find it very easily or very quickly, or it will like basically search for your data, and it will like go like a huge part, and you have to be patient about it. You have to give some time to scan it. After scanning, if you want to like recycle this this picture or this picture, just tap on it and tap just first select all those pictures, then tap then delete, tap recover, just this option recover, and just here you can see you also can recommended save to file and email or Dropbox. You can save onto your gallery, like I will save to my gallery, whatever. I am saving to my gallery, no thanks. Here you can see 2 files saved successfully. By this trick you are going to able to recover your picture. If you want to recover your videos, you will need a PC. If you want to see, I show you how you can recover your files, WhatsApp message, videos. For this, if you want those video, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a video in this. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like button, and thanks for watching guys.